Hi guys, Box Adventures, welcome back. Sorry it's been so long. So Gladys has now finally come back from having her windows and everything sorted. So today we're doing a little bit of a task, which is going to include one of these. We're going to cut out our carpet inside. It's the original green carpet and the van is 21 years old, 22 years old. And it's gone marks and stains and bits and pieces like that on it. So we're now going to remove that carpet out and put a nice fresh carpet down inside. So today we're going to cut it out, give the floor a bit of an air, clean it all up, and then we're going to get someone to come and fit a nice new carpet inside for us. We were going to do carpet tiles, but then we decided to go probably like a full carpet rather than the carpet tiles, because if ever we want to take them back out or change it again, carpet tiles are going to be a nightmare to try and get back up. So that's that part of it. And the next project is we're going to fit a diesel heater in so we can basically do some winter camping. We're going to try and use it through the winter and try and get out in it. I say the winter, I know a lot of people class the winter as gone, but our coldest months in Wales is like January, February, March, even into April. It can be really, really cold. So yeah, we're going to smash a diesel heater into it, get that all working. We've got a gas heater in there that you can think, but I'm not confident with leaving a gas heater on overnight. And yeah, I'd much rather a diesel heater fitted into it, and we know where we are with that. So yeah, that's it. We're going to crack on and we'll get some images, some photos out, and we just thought we'd start the new year off with a video of Gladys and what we've been doing. Okay, see you in a minute.